About this item: heavy checkmark power cord compatible models, VVX 101, 201, 300, 301, 310, 311, 400, 401, 410, 411, 500, 501, 511, 550, 600, 601, 611, 1500. Heavy checkmark compatible models, SoundPoint IP 560, and SoundPoint IP 670. Heavy checkmark conforms to UL Safety Standard 1310, Safety Protection. Products are CEFC-CROHS certified for safety, tested by the manufacturer to match and / or exceed the OEM specifications. Provides over-voltage protection, over-current protection, short-circuit protection. Heavy checkmark 48V power supply for office or home, comparable with original function. Heavy checkmark wide-range power supply, input 100-240V, 50 to 60 Hz, output 48V 310 mAh, 0.31A. Cable length, 3.9 feet. In the description to get this product today at the best price. About this item: heavy checkmark power cord compatible models, VVX 101, 201, 300,